Now let's look at how you can actually track staff activities, your workers, the activities, what are doing in the business. Let's get started. So just go to the activity log, which is at the bottom right of the screen. And then from here, you can see the activities being carried out by any staff member. So you can see maybe staff member. I have what's it called? Looking at my screen right now, I have that the product was updated and I was personally did as an admin, but that's the first item. Then the second item, I have staff member created. A staff member was created and then was created by, I can see the email, the person that created it. So agents and sister token generated. So with this, I can see everything that is actually happening. And then if a product is added, I can see it. And then any action that a staff member is taking, I can also be seeing it automatically. Now, if I have an inventory activity here, I can also be seeing the same thing. Who is selling, who is making these sales and stuff like that. Everything appears directly on Saletick for you to have an overview about them. So that's all for this. So we move on to the next video.